I'm Dean and this is Hello It's Dean. In this video we're going to be cooking some tandoori style chicken thighs with SAAG paneer, which is being made with kale as well as spinach, and a mint yoghurt sauce. Now, as you can see, I'm outside this morning, and that's because we already ate the food last night and I didn't record an introduction beforehand. But I've saved myself some leftovers for breakfast this morning. I thought I'd eat it in the park because it's a nice lovely day today. So we're going to cut to the cooking, then I'll come back in a short while to tell you how it tastes. See you shortly. So we're going to start by making the marinade for the chicken. So I've got about 8 chopped garlic cloves, a grated thumb-sized piece of ginger and a chopped chilli. I used a scotch bonnet, but use a milder one if you wish. We're going to put those ingredients into a mortar. And we're going to add just a drop of oil just to get things moving. And now we're going to grind that until it forms a paste. Now add the paste to a bowl. So now I'm adding the spices. So we've got a pinch of cinnamon powder, about a teaspoon of turmeric, a tablespoon of coriander powder, half a tablespoon of garam masala, about a tablespoon of chilli powder, a tablespoon of sweet paprika, and we're going to add salt to taste. Now I've added 125 grams of natural yoghurt, and I've given that a stir, and now I'm putting 1 kilo of chicken thighs with skin into a bowl. And we're now going to add the marinade with a spoon. Give it a stir. Then start to mix it up with your hands. Really give the meat a good working. You want it to get into all its nooks and crannies. And now we're going to place that in the fridge to marinate for at least 24 hours. Now I'm going to put in a baking tray, and I'm putting some ghee over the top of each piece just to help it crispen up and to give it more flavour. Now placing in the oven preheated to 200 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. Now I'm beginning to gently fry the paneer in the fat that has come off the chicken. And fry until most of the pieces are a nice lovely golden brown colour. Then we're going to take them out of the pan, add a little more oil, then we're going to add a thumb-sized piece of ginger, 4 chopped garlic cloves and 2 chopped green chillies. Once they've sweated down, add a chopped onion, then begin to add your kale in batches. Now we should have added spices at the beginning, but I forgot, so we're adding them now. Now we've added all the kale, we're going to begin to add the spinach. And once that's reduced, add 125 grams of yoghurt. Give that a stir, then add your paneer. Now add 125 grams of yoghurt to a blender. Then add a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of turmeric and a tablespoon of sweetener. Add 2 tablespoons chopped coriander and around 20 mint leaves. Season with some salt. And then blend until it's all blended together. And now we're going to plate up. Now as you can see, there wasn't much leftovers, but it's enough to just tie out a taste. So I'm going to try a bit of this paneer cheese first. Now, paneer doesn't really taste of much on its own. It is a bland cheese, but what it is good at is taking on flavours of other things. So you can really taste the spices in that cheese. It's gorgeous, it really is. So I'm going to try a bit of this spinach and kale. Yeah, again, that's really taking on the flavours of the spices, and you can also really taste the chicken fat that I used in it. Yeah, that was a really good idea, using the chicken fat. It really was. So we're going to try the main thing, and that's the chicken. Chicken is nice, perfectly seasoned. It's just got enough spice that it doesn't become overpowering. Yeah, that is really good. It's so tender, it really is. One of my friends who ate it last night, commented on how tender it was. And I think that's just because it was left to marinate for so long. The longer you leave it, the longer it's going to, the more it's going to tenderise the meat, and it's going to give it more flavour as well. So these flies are doing my head in. So unfortunately I've got no mint yoghurt left, so I can't tell you that taste, but it was nice and sweet and creamy, and it just really brought the dish together. It was really good. So anyway, I'm going to go now, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.